So morning class, what you have seen? NumPy. But any extra thing, nothing you have seen. Only basics you have seen. Okay. Only what you have seen, only basics, like what addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then you have seen how to create identity matrix. Then how to create matrix with the help of full 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. Then fill by what 5 or whatever it is. Okay. Basics. Then if you want to do actual multiplication of matrix, you're using what symbol? At the rate symbol, or else using what? Matmul. Okay, these are the only basics which you have seen. Okay, and compulsory in the interview these basics will be asked, irrespective you are choosing whatever course it is in the Python. Okay, full stack or Django or Flask or hacking or whatever it is. This NumPy basics pakka will be asked. This basics is compulsory. Why? Because in the list we can't do nas. It's just ones in the list. Suppose 1, 2, 3 there, and one more list is there 4, 5, 6. Can we add them? Yes, we can add with the help of zip. But without zip, no, it becomes very lengthy. That's the reason why we have zip. Or else what you have to do, we have to make this as array. Then I have to store in A equal to this like this, B equal to like this. Then A equal to np dot array like this. I have to do these things. Okay. But now we are dealing with what concept now? Pandas. So 90% people who are going with data analytics, they have to again be comfortable with what? Pandas topic. Okay, other people again they can skip, but basics you have to know. And in the Python, the only lengthy concept like what in a package is what? Pandas. Like how string methods is a lengthy concept. Na? If I ask you list methods, how much time will take? Half an hour? No. Previously it took 1-2 days. Now if I ask you list methods, do and show this program, how much time will take? Half an hour example. Tuple 10 minutes. 2 methods only. List 1 hour. Dictionary 1 hour. But if I ask you string methods, how much hours will take at least? 4-5 hours at least. 4 hours, 5 hours. Same thing. Pandas also will be taking much time. Okay, but you have to understand clearly. Very basic only. Okay. So let us start directly there. File number 32, I think so. Okay. Okay, so I have to open its folder. (32). Okay, in this I have all the files. So first we'll do pandas. No, first we'll do pandas operations. Okay, operations are this. Okay, what you want? Tell me. First you want pandas or pandas operations? First pandas. Okay. And before this starting pandas, just see once here, like how we have to install NumPy. How did you install NumPy? Pip space install NumPy. Similarly, you have to install what now? Pandas. How you will be installing? Basically, pip space install space pandas. Then, what is the use of pandas? It will be useful for reading what? Different types of files. Useful for what? Reading different types of files. You'll be seeing practically what are the types of files. Here I'll be showing CSV file because mostly people will be using what? CSV files for their what? Machine learning or data structure, they like data science or whatever it is. Okay. So first of all, pandas will store the data in the form of what? Data frames. Pandas will store the data in the form of what? Data frames. Okay. Excel then will store data in the terms of what? Rows and columns. That rows and columns are calling as what? Combination of rows and columns. Sheet means total sheet will come. Table. Okay, combination of rows and columns is called as what? Table, where every cell having some kind of information. Yes. See, same thing here also. Pandas will store the data in form of what? Data frames. Okay. Now, to read the CSV files, what we have to install? XLRD. To read what files? Excel files. We have to install what? XLRD. How will be installing? Pip space install XLRD. Okay. And previously we used to install what? Open PyXL also. Open PyXL to open the CSV files. To read what? XLRD CSV files. Excel files means what? Excel SX. There's a file extension, or else you'll be seeing what extension? CSV. Okay, I'll show you now. And by default, Excel will be saved with what file extension? .xlsx. And even you can save with what extension? CSV. What is the full form of CSV? This will be asked mostly in the case of interviews. Okay, people who are doing data science or not, irrespective of this one, this question they ask Pakka. Because pandas concept means first of all CSV only. Like what? That's a basic thing. Okay. So what is the full form of CSV? Comma separated values. Comma separated values. So let me show you once properly, line by line. First, let me open the Excel. So this is Excel. Okay. Where if I write something, will be stored in what format? Suppose on desktop, suppose on desktop. Suppose here, okay, on desktop. Suppose I'll be giving there what now? Python demo or Python Excel or Python example. Okay. Save it. Let me show you what is the file extension of this one. Right click here, properties. So by default, what is the file extension? .xlsx. But even you can save the file. Even you can save the file. So let me write something or don't write as you wish. Save this PC on desktop. Even you can save the file with what? CSV I told. Suppose example again I'll give you Python, or suppose Pro Python or Pro Python. Okay. Then save as type there now. By default XLSX. Here you can select there. You'll be giving there what? CSV. Getting there? CSV, comma, delimited. So full form of CSV is what? Comma, separated value. Many will be there. Okay. CSV means what's here? CSV UTF-8, CSV, comma, delimited. Many will be there. CSV Macintosh, all those things. You select what is CSV UTF-8. Okay. That should be enough. Save it on desktop. And let me show you the file extension also. Pro Python properties. So what is the file extension? .csv. This .csv file only they'll be using in the case of what? The machine learning algorithms. Mostly the file used is what? CSV files. Okay. If I ask you, so how they'll be doing this prediction, all these things. Okay. If you're having some idea, then there is one link called as what? Let me open. Minute is over. Okay. Okay. Just machine learning, suppose or else. Hard prediction data set. Okay. Data set. Yeah. Kaggle.com. Okay. Kaggle. Mostly using what? Kaggle.com. So in the Kaggle, previously it was very basic. Now they improved a lot. Okay. Now they improved a lot. Okay. So you can see house prices, prediction of sales, Python, all these things will be there. Now suppose someone is doing the project. Example, like what example? Movies or whatever it is. Example, I'll just say what? IPL. See, IPL dataset will be there. That will be in the what format that I want to show you. Main thing. Okay. What's the format? Check the file format. CSV. So we'll be downloading the what? CSV files from this website. Mostly you'll be downloading from this website, kaggle.com. Okay. When you're in the fourth year, that time if you're doing properly project, this will understand, but 90% I don't think you'll be able to understand, because in our college they won't say, you won't listen also. But if you're doing machine learning project now, you will be downloading the Excel files or CSV files from this website. Okay. So now come back here. So you can make your own Excel files also. You can make your own Excel files, all those things. But how to work with them, that's the main point now. So you have to install what are things you have to install? Pip install pandas, pip install XLRD, pip install matplotlib. You can install now or later, because now you're not doing matplotlib, we'll do later class. Then you have to install OpenPyXL. Okay. So let me show first pandas. So first of all, I have to know where I am. How to know where I am? At least control plus tilt. So first of all, clear screen. Let me know where I am. How to type PWD? Full form? Present working directory. Okay. So where I am in the C drive, users, Josh, HD, music, Python files, last day 32. So this is the location where I am. I am at this location. Okay. How to know what are the files available at this location? ls. So now in the resume you can mention, I even know Linux also, but only 5 commands only you know. Okay. So in having time when Python done, then 1-2 days you can face just it will be enough. You'll be doing Linux commands, because in the real time now Linux is very important, I'm saying. But now company is giving you the Windows laptop also. But if you want Mac laptop, high-end laptop, learn Linux, I'm saying. Okay, you want 1 lakh laptop, 2 lakhs laptop, then you have to go with what? Linux. Basic laptop if you want, then you have to say, I know Windows, so please provide me Windows laptop only. So it is in your hands, up to your choice. Even you can take 2 also, but they won't give you as a fresher. As a fresher, they won't give you, okay? So what's the command? ls. Okay. So how many files I have here now? 1 file, okay. And even this command I have not tell you, this ls-a, even the hidden files also can be known. ls-a. But here it will not work. Why? Because I'm using Windows. So it won't work here. Okay. So ls command, how many files are there now here? Only 1 folder there. What is it? Pandas. Inside. So now I have to go inside now pandas. Because now inside pandas, if you check there, I have many files. Yes or no? So how to go inside the pandas now? Tell me once. CD. Yes. Yeah. They're meeting my expectations at least. CD space. Check the folder name. What is the folder name? Pandas. So what type there what now? CD space pandas. CD space pandas. So now inside what now? Pandas path. So clear screen, let us know where I am exactly now. PWD. So now I'm inside the what now? Pandas. So clear screen. After it now what? ls. So inside this pandas directory or folder, how many files are available? We do an example. So we'll type now what? ls command, enter. So how many files are there now? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what date created, all things will come there. What time created, what day created, all those things. Okay. So now come back here now. So what I'm executing now, first of all, import pandas. But if I run this code now, what will come there? Module not found error. No module named NumPy. No module named what? Pandas. So how to install now? Pip space install space pandas. And if you're installing pandas, now by default, even NumPy will be installed. Okay, but you're already installed the NumPy. So it will take less time only now. Okay, done. Install now successfully. If I run this command, will any error come now? No. If I just import pandas and run the command, no error should come now. Any error came? No. So if I want this yellow color to go, what I have to do? Close and open once again. Okay, I came back. So now what I'm typing there, we can give a small name also. Pandas, they give a small name as what? PD. For NumPy, they give a small name as what? NP. You can change the names also. But in the real time, everywhere we use this syntax only. Okay. This is a logic which we follow in the company also, all these things. So pandas.read underscore CSV. But before going there, let me show you what are the types of files you can read once. So you can take any name, A equal to pandas.read. Just see once here, read clipboard, CSV, Excel, Feather, different types of files, HTML files, JSON files, pickle files, SAS files, SQL table, many types of files. Okay, but the most commonly used and most important use is what? Is CSV. Okay, but even you can read what HTML files, all these things you can try once, because you're writing HTML things you can try once. Okay, so now come back here. So first of all, what is the path I'm giving here? F drive Python by HD, Python programs day 32, pandas b5.csv. Is there such file? First of all, F drive there or not there? First of all, we don't know. So what we'll be doing, first of all, again going open terminal window. So clear screen. I'll be typing again there what? PWD. So where I am in the C drive. What I type there, what F drive. So what will come if I execute this program? There is no such file. Okay, if there is no such file now, here. What came there? File not found, error. No such file or directory. So we have to give the properly path there. So let us give the proper path now. So I'll just copy this one, same as it is, Control C. Let us keep here as it is. And even you have to give the what? Pandas, because they're inside the pandas now. The files are there. So which file will be reading? You tell me now. Any file you can read. Just I can type here what? CD space pandas. Okay, ls command. So which file will be reading? Example, just what? 10b. We'll be reading what file? 10b.csv. So I'll type there what now? 10b.csv. Okay. But if you check here now, your C drive C got missed now here. Backslash will work there? No, will not work, because backslash means what? Huh? Unicode. Capital U means what? Unicode. In the case of uppercase, capital U, capital N will not work. In the case of lowercase, A, B, R, F, V, N, T, V, X will not work. Okay. So clear screen. I have to keep the what now? One more time. Remaining you keep, don't keep, it's fine. Remaining will work, I think so. So run once. Okay, something wrong. Invalid argument. Let us check the file there once. Music, HD Python, programs, day 32, pandas. 10b is the file. Okay, we are in the correct location. 10b.csv. So let us keep one more here also to be in the safe zone. So clear screen. Again run once. This data and that our Excel file data matching or not, let us check once. First of all, so let me open this file and show you once. They are same. This we can change. Okay, we can keep your names, all those things and do. But tiny this now, so just go it once. Okay, these are past students data. Okay, so how many am I having there? ID, name, college, place, and salary. How many occupied now? If you count properly, 6. But mostly will be going with what, like this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, like this is going. Okay, so 6% data I have there. Okay, What I have ID, name, college, place, and salary. Just you can check their salary, how much 500, 400, 450 like this. Okay. And I gave the what college names, place, ID, and names. Okay. So these are data inside this water 10b.csv. You can create your own file also. Okay. So after my class, you can make your own CSV file, then you can try. Okay. Don't try same data. Okay. So don't save. Okay, fine. So these are data now which I have displayed over here. How I'm displaying printed E. Okay. Now clear screen. Now again, I want to read one file again. Now I'm reading which file now? Difference you observe there previously read what file? CSV file. Now reading which file? Excel file. So first type the ls command. This B100 is in what format? Excel. So I'm reading what here? Read Excel. And path is correct? No. So copy this path. Path you have to give very correctly. Okay. And this is the only task which will be doing in the company also. Correct path you have to give. Wrong path if you give, then it will not open. Backslash U will work? Capital U will work? No, because backslash U means what? Unicode. So this will not work. Remaining, okay. Capital B will work? Yes or no? Yes. Path is wrong. Just here after HD Python, I have to keep the what? Pandas. No. Yeah, everything changed. Just a minute. Once again. So clear screen. So HD Python. Yeah, here. From here onwards, everything changed. Programs day underscore 32. Again backslash pandas. So give a path very small. Okay, here I have big path. That's why I've given the big path there. You can change the path also. So now execute. So this is the data inside that water Excel file. So let me show you proof also once. B100 there. ID, name, college, place. ID starting from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 name, college, place. And if you check here, if you check over here, by default you're getting a 0 1 2 3. By default you'll be getting this. At the last, I'll show you how to remove these things also. Okay, at the last, these are basic things. Now clear screen. So now remember this, somewhere you have seen these things. All day kept here. You should not keep. Where you have seen these things? Dictionary. Okay, this is what? Dictionary names you can change. So few names will change there. Naveen. Praveen. Oh, okay, fine. Na? Remaining names not came, so don't feel okay. Somewhere will or else name will play again. All take pen paper will play name, place, animal thing. So in SID, how many I have there? 4. So I have to pass 4 names perfectly. 1 2 3 4. So what is S course? Subject course. C, full stack, Python, advanced Python. Then date of joining November, May, July. You can take anything. Okay, as per your choice. Now if I execute this one, print SJOSH type of SJOSH. What type it will be? Dictionary. What type it is? Dictionary. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is now here. Import pandas as PD. Okay, all the comments are there. DF2. PD dot what I'm typing the what? Data frame. What is the name I pass there? SJOSH. SJOSH is what? This one. So this will create what now? Will create what now? File. The data will be displayed in a proper format. Why? What I told, pandas will display the data in the terms of what? Data frames. Data frames. So print df2 now, check there now how it will come. Proper will come. See, proper way data came. But previously, if you have seen there, Gaji Biji was there. Total like or something, you're not able to understand the data. Okay. So clear screen now. Okay, let me keep this in also comments now. Now, even you can create the help of what? Tuple also. Even with the help of what? Tuple also. You can take dictionary also. You can take tuple also. You can take list also. Here I've taken what? Dictionary. And here what I've taken now here? Tuple. Only you have to spend time properly. Okay, that's enough. Okay, these are data. Now, okay, this is the first basic thing now. Okay. So in the first part, I don't think you have any kind of a doubt here. This is how the file will be making. Okay. Some people will come and say in the real time, I have some files. You have to convert to what now? In the Excel. This way you have to convert. Some kind of a data entry job only. Yes or no? So it is your choice. You want to take it or not, or leave it. Okay. But people who are doing data science, they have to just at least have proper typing speed. Proper typing speed. Okay. Now let me show the operations part. And this is a very important part now. So first of all, path I have to give properly. That is the wrong path. So Control C and give your proper path. And first of all, is there any file name .b5.csv there? How to know? Type there out ls command. B5 file there? Yes, there. So first we'll see what is there inside the B5 file. How many names I have? Exactly like 10 names. Example, 9 names I have there. Okay. First one not counted now. How many names I have there? 9 names. ID, name, place, and salary. So now see once, no. Okay. So I'm just displaying the data now. First of all, displaying what now? Data. Yeah, backslash you will not work. So one more time here and somewhere else more. Okay, rename place it is fine. So clear screen once, run. So how many have total here now? If you count properly, how many? 9. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So to know about this, you are typing there what? D dot shape. This shape method will give you what? Number of rows and number of columns. How many rows? How many columns? 9 rows, 4 columns. Here it is small data. Okay, I'm knowing now. Once you go from Kaggle, then you'll know how system will hang like something. 10,000 data, 20,000 data, 30,000 there, 30,000 names will be there. Total system will hang. That time at least recommend what? At least 16 GB, 8 GB recommended. Even to execute the code also will take around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometime around 20 minutes also will take. Okay. So one way of just escaping, if you are not good in project, you can take the machine learning project, then you can say executing. How much time do you think the faculty may wait or the execution person may wait? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So 5 minutes he can't see your face, you can't see your face, or you can't see his face. Stop. So machine learning projects will take around what? If you're doing properly, then will take around what? 10-20 minutes to what? Run the code. That much time system will take. Here I'm having this what? 10 names, 5 names only. So taking time here? No. But if I have big data, then it will take some time. System may hang also. System may what? Hang also. So what about this head? If you type head this head will give you how many first of all? Total how many have in the sheet? First of all names 9. This head command will give me only first 5. It will give me what? First 5 by default. So run once. First 5 means what? 0 to 4 like this. Only first 5 came. If you want to see all, then you have to type the what? All things there. Okay. Like if you want to see, suppose first 2 only, then type the 2. Enough. Only first 2 will come now. Okay, so what you are typing, only those will come. And by default, how many will come? 5. What about tail? So by default, last 5. What are last 5? Let me show on there. Last 5 means what? Up to where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to where? Up to Nayyum. So run once. Okay, last 5. Head of 1 is how many will come? Only starting one. Only the starting one. Then tail of 3 means what will come? Last 3. Okay. What about this one? Somewhere concept you have seen. Somewhere you have seen. So from where to where now? Total. From where? 0 to? Not seen. Not seen. I know. See at least here now. 0 to 8. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this one now? From where to where? 2 to 5. What about this one? 1 to 3. I want to display your first data, first people, first 4 people, like this will last. What are the columns here? ID, name, place, salary. So clear skin ones. Just I want the columns names. Okay. Just a column names came there. Just I want to know what the places. What are places? Something Hyderabad, Desanagar was there. Let us see once there. Okay. This is what I got now. Only the places. What do you think if I execute this one line? What I'll get? Place and name at one time only, side by side. I get there what? Place and name. You can take place, name, place, ID, whatever it is. Then if I do print D, just see once command there, we'll get total data now. Now in this one, what is the maximum salary? Who is having the maximum salary? Check once. 480. How much? Who's the name there? Nayyum SR Nagar. Okay. So who is having the minimum salary? 250 there. There. 250 there. Munindra. So clear scheme once. You keep your name there, keep highest salary. Okay. So what is the highest salary there? 480. Minimum salary how much? 250. Then what about this describe command? Total will get mean, median, mode, average. So this is out of your mind. Okay. Just see once there. Total count. How many are there? At least this I think you know. How much count totally? 9. Then this is a mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25%, 50%, all the things. Okay. Then who is having salary more than 400? Not seen. So see here, who is having salary more than 400 there? Manikanta and Nayyum. And they are from which place I want to know. They are from what? Which place? Only place I want. I've done all the things here. I just want what? Name, place here. So they're from which place? SR Nagar and what one more? Amirpet. Next. Who is having salary less than what? 450? So don't know. You have to check once. So many are there. Now, let us find who is having that maximum salary. Who is it? Total data will come now. Nayyum. I didn't keep this comment there. So clear screen once. Run. Okay, total things will come. Depending upon passing their D or place or salary like this matters there. Okay. Now what I'm setting there now? Previously by default you're getting there now 0, 1, 2, 3 things, all these things by default. Clear screen once. You're getting there what? 0, 1, 2, 3. But now I want to set this ID as my what? Index things. So what I have to type there? D dot set index. That's it. So what is the index position now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, all the things will come now. I have to print D1. So run once. So this became a what now? Index. Previously what I got 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can set anything. You can even set name also, a place also, salary also, your index as you wish. Then what is at the fifth location? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So clear screen once. So check once what's at the fifth location once. Total details will come there. Okay, if you print D there, let me show print D once. So clear screen once command. Con once. At fifth location. What after there? Location 5. What is there? ID number 410, Amir Kukatpalli 350. Same thing came here. Total ID, name, place, Kukatpalli, salary, all this. Then total pandas if you want to do. How much I told? 142 na? But that much you don't go, okay? No need of all things, you know. Okay. So this is regarding the pandas topic. Okay. Remaining things you don't by mistake also enter there. Your brain may become or your hair may become white. It's beyond your limits or beyond our limits, you can say. That is the reason why we have Ultra YX tool. Okay. So we'll stop till here only, okay? Fine. So tomorrow we'll continue with what? Mat.lib.